Open the Play Store app on your device, search for Cisco Webex Meetings. Then click Install. Wait until the app finish download. And installing, then you can exit the Play Store app. When you are invited to a Cisco Webex Meetings, you will receive an email invitation. Now select the email invitation in your Gmail which sent by us. Click on the link. Open with Webex Meetings app. You will see about that. A separate window will pop up and prompt you for your choice of audio. We recommend you to use Internet for audio. And press Join. Then, you will see Login Request. Key in your name and email address. This name will be shown as student name in the training. We recommend you to write your name in Chinese. Now, you are connecting to the Webex meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you will see about that. Some of the controls and options are available. You can mute your audio, start and stop your video, and open the chat box. To send messages to other participants, you can feedback to our technical team if you need any support. When it's time to leave, click the close button. Thank you for watching.